Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass Family Link protection on child Samsung Galaxy S22. To do this, open Settings application, scroll down and choose Google. Then choose Manage your Google account, wait a while, choose Get Started. Scroll right and choose Data and Privacy. Scroll down again. Click Delete your Google account, but not afraid, we will recover it later. So confirm your password. And click Next. Oh, I'm sorry. Click Next. Scroll down, choose I understand. Scroll down, choose Yes, Yes, and delete account. Then just open your applications menu, and as you can see, all my apps was unlocked. And now we need to recover our Google account. To do this, open Play Store, choose Sign In, enter your email, you will see this message that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. Click Next. Enter a password. Then click Next again. You will see this message that something went wrong. Click Next and log in again. Enter email. Enter a password. Click Next. I agree. Scroll down, choose Accept. And cool, Google account was successfully recovered. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. And bye. See you.